Hi guys, welcome to Dino TV. Today I will show you a talking parrot. Can you hear the background sound? This talking parrot will imitate whatever I say. Alright? It will imitate whatever I say. So, let us say hi to the parrot. Hello. How are you? Are you fine? Well guys, this parrot is very cheeky. He will imitate whatever I speak and repeat in 3 times. It will be a very good companion for you if you are lonely. If you feel lonely, then this is a right choice and a good companion. At least you feel that there's someone talking to you. Okay guys. Well, it is also very good to release stress. And is actually a toy parrot. Okay, thank you for watching my video, and if you like my video, give me a thumbs up and ask the parrot, how are you? How are you? Okay, there. Dino sign off here now. Good night and stay safe. Bye.